G here from OG Creations. Happy Pride to anyone who is celebrating our history, self-expression, and love this month. For Pride 22, I've created 4 new shirt series: Neon Pride Puddle, True Colors, Proud to the Core, and Neon Rainbow Galaxy. Each shirt is paired with a how-to video and will be released each Friday during the month of June. All of these shirts, along with my Pride 22 Men's Bikini and Jock series, are currently available on my Etsy. Why don't you go check them out? Obviously, you already know that the shirt I'm creating here is the Neon Pride Puddle. I start with a white 100% cotton tee that I soaked in soda ash and spun out until almost dry and then tied up using the Geode technique. Out in the studio, I start applying dry dye powders in neon shades of Roy G. Biv. The colors I'm using here are Hot Hibiscus, Watermelon, Lemon Yellow, Bright Green, Turquoise, and Ultraviolet. I then apply a light layer of soda ash and flip the shirt over, repeating the same process. I make sure to carefully match out the boundaries of the colors so they don't blend unevenly and turn into a mucky brown. So way back in February, I created a shirt series that I experimented on using the cold, drenching, misty rain here in our lovely, all-inclusive, big blue bubble of Seattle. The idea was replacing ice, normally used in this technique, with free chilly water. And damn, did they turn out awesome. The colors were so vivid and the pigment patterns were stunning. My backyard quickly became an extension of my studio. These cakes were left out in the rain for about 12 hours and then brought inside untouched for 24 to 48 hours. Shirt is then rinsed thoroughly in cold water, then ran through the washing machine using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. The shirts are then dried, ironed, and my OGC logo applied. This technique definitely takes a ton of time, but look at the results. Totally reminds me of a rain puddle filled with a big, beautiful liquid rainbow. A unique shirt to wear while celebrating all this month. Plus, it's super bright, so it's going to be easy to find in the back room or on the floor the next morning. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.